You'll love coming home to this stunning Gulf front home in sought-after Stony Brook West, a 24/7 guard-gated community. Beautiful views of the golf course and pond from the family room, the master bedroom, the dining room, and the patio. The kitchen has all stainless steel appliances and Corian countertops. The master bedroom suite overlooks the golf course and has a completely upgraded and remodeled master bath and custom shelving in the master closet. Gorgeous bamboo wood flooring in the master bedroom, the family room, and the fourth bedroom. This impressive community offers fabulous amenities which include a huge pool, a hot splash pool, tennis and basketball courts, clubhouse, fitness center, inline skate rink, playground, and lake access. Shopping and restaurants are only minutes away at Winter Garden Village and historic downtown Winter Garden with its popular farmers market. Don't miss out on this terrific opportunity. Call Rick Belbin today to set up your showing.